If you want to draw a hyper-realistic image like this one, but feel overwhelmed with how to start, I have some advice for you to make such a daunting task become more manageable. How do you climb a mountain? One step at a time. To start, I want to emphasize how crucial being patient is and allowing yourself the time you need. The last thing you want to do is to feel rushed. But the most important tip I have for you is when working on a large piece like this, oftentimes people will feel overwhelmed while trying to work on the meticulous details simultaneously. You might think to yourself, I'll finesse all the details at the end, and then what can end up happening is you never end up bringing these details to their full potential. I know this from first-hand experience. What I do to get over that overwhelming feeling is break my compositions down into tiny pieces and set daily goals to finish a small piece every day or week or however it works best for you. This creates space for maximum detail and precision in a small area without rushing and focuses your mind from being overwhelmed. Also, working in small sections helps you make sure you are completely happy with your work before moving on to the next section. Over time, completing all of these small sections with hyper detail has the cumulative effect of a spectacular final drawing. Now, I've been working on this Mount Rainier drawing for about 7 months. There have been some breaks here and there for other projects, but I know every single piece of this drawing is done to the best of my ability. So when will I finish this drawing? I'm not really sure, however long it takes me to keep achieving all this detail, but hopefully before I die.